Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shahmi Rishad bin Saroni. My matric number is 06D88F2031. My partner name is Muhammad Arif Haikal bin Muhammad Afandi. We are from the 85A. Our supervisor is Madam Roslinda binti Samion. Today we want to talk about cigarette smoke detector with MQ2 smoke sensor. Introduction. Cigarette smoke detector with MQ2 smoke sensor is designed to help the authorities to identify if there are smokers in the campus area. This project uses an MQ2 smoke sensor that works to detect cigarette smoke in the toilet. The project also uses the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module to connect Wi-Fi on the phone and use the Blink app to send notification to users. Problem statement. At Polytechnic Port Dickson, there are a number of students who often violate discipline by smoking cigarette in the toilet. This is difficult to overcome by the lecturer and all parties in the campus because of their activities in a closed place. Lecturer and all parties also find it difficult to identify students who smoke in the toilet because there is no sound warning system and notification. Objective. The objective of this project are to develop, to integrate wireless communication and programming into this model, apply appropriate components and application to send notification in a shorter time, create a smoke detector circuit by inserting a suitable sensor to detect cigarette smoke in the toilet.
Now I will explain the result of our project. The first picture shows a picture of the result of our circuit assembled in the first stage. The second picture shows the result of the components that we arranged in the PVC enclosure box. There are three components in the container. That is Arduino Uno board, ISD1820 voice recorder, and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. The last picture shows our project model. At the top, we put an 8 ohm speaker that will emit sound recorded by the user. On the side, there is a 5 voltage buzzer that will emit sound when smoke is detected. Conclusion. First, this project system requires cheap or low cost to build. Second, it is suitable to be implemented in the student's toilet at anywhere on campus, government buildings, and more. Third, with the installation of cigarette smoke sensor, the authorities will alert with the presence of smoker on campus. And the last, the system will work effectively as planned and will solve the state problem. Okay, now I will show you how our circuit works. First, the user need to turn on hotspot at mobile telephone. After that, the user need to plug in the supply. And then press start and press connect, and will show monitor system connect. Next I will put the smoke which present as a cigarette smoke. When smoke is detected, the buzzer and speaker will emit a sound and the Blink app will get a notification. Now I will show screen lock condition. Notification will also be sent to the user's mobile phone when screen is locked. Okay, thank you.